the fours.
Time now is 7:44, which means it's time for your weather on the fours with meteorologist Thomas Geboy. And Thomas, you know, we're heading into the weekend. How's the weather looking?
Well, it looks like a different season out there this morning because we've seen a very big cool down as the jet stream has now dipped into Utah. And in the northern half of the state today, we're going to be talking about potential for some wet weather, even a few thunderstorms, while Colorado unfortunately gets the bulk of the wet weather. It'd be nice if that moved a little bit further to the west, but down in southern Utah, we're going to keep dry conditions in place. It's going to be windy through at least the first half of the day. And the fire concerns in southern Utah, they will be continuing through today as well. But as we look at the satellite and radar, you can actually get a sense of that jet stream dipping down into Utah. But with dynamics in place and some moisture in place, we're going to have that chance for showers in northern Utah. And we're also seeing a few spotty showers out there this morning. But for the most part, it's not really going to be getting in your way all that much. We've seen a little bit of snow in the higher elevations. We've seen a little bit of rain try to fall and down in our valleys, but a lot of that hasn't been able to reach the ground just because it's been so dry at the surface. But one place where it's snowing, and you love to see it, is up at Alta. The snow is falling in the cottonwoods. That's a beautiful sight, and Mother Nature will take as much moisture as you can possibly give us. We need it, especially after that latest drought monitor came out. Then down in Monument Valley, there's not a cloud in the sky, but what you can see is the blowing dust as you're looking towards the plateaus off in the distance. So it's dusty down in southern Utah, and that fire risk does remain from lower Washington County all the way over into San Juan County, as we're going to see relative humidity values in this area anywhere between 10 and 15%, wind gusts upwards of 45 miles per hour through the day. So in southern Utah, make sure you avoid outdoor burning. But then on the other side of the coin, in northern Utah, there's going to be the chance for thunderstorms from the Wasatch Front all the way over to the Uinta Basin. So let's begin the FutureCast 9 o'clock this morning, and over the next couple of hours, just a few light showers here or there, but that chance for scattered showers and even a few rumbles of thunder will increase as we get into this afternoon. We're going to have that chance for valley rain and mountain snow. We're going to hold on to that chance through the early evening, and then by tonight, that chance will begin to dwindle. Then tomorrow, with some lingering moisture around, there's going to be at least a chance for some showers in the higher elevations, as we'll be looking mostly dry down in our valleys. Our hourly forecast in Salt Lake City: after a chilly start, it's going to be gusty with partly cloudy skies through around 10-11 o'clock this morning. And then we'll have that better chance for some wet weather as we venture into the afternoon, as our temperatures eventually climb to the mid and upper 50s along the Wasatch Front. That's well below our seasonal average. That's supposed to be in the middle 70s for today. We'll see a daytime high of 58 degrees in Salt Lake City, 55 in Delta, 58 in Cedar City, 66 degrees in Moab. After yesterday in southern Utah, we were seeing temperatures in the 80s and 90s. We likely won't even get to 80 degrees down in St. George with a daytime high of 79. But then as we turn the page into tonight, it's going to be turning just as cold compared to what we're finding this morning, if not a little bit cooler in most spots. And the hard freeze warnings that we have are going to be going back into effect. There's a freeze warning that will be going into effect for the eastern Uinta Basin. And in places like Logan, likely going to be seeing temperatures near or below freezing once again. And along the Wasatch Front, there's going to be the possibility for some patchy frost. In St. George, blowing dust with the fire danger continuing through today, a daytime high of 79. But this weekend, those winds will start to ease. Temperatures will begin to warm up, should be around 90 degrees by Monday. Then along the Wasatch Front, that chance later today into this afternoon, then this evening as well, before that chance fades into tonight. Daytime high of only 58, 66 for our Saturday, but then daytime highs will be around 70 degrees Sunday into Monday before we're close to our average going into our Tuesday.